Hello! In this short video, we will quickly revisit our highly successful exhibition at the largest European general aviation show, AERO in Friedrichshafen. We'll address the three most frequently asked questions that we encountered at our booth. We anticipated that our ground testbed skeleton with an 8-meter wingspan would attract the attention in Friedrichshafen. That's precisely why we constructed it at our development facilities in Prague. Some visitors were really impressed. One from Belgium actually wanted to acquire the skeleton. This is a ground testbed. It's not intended to fly. The skeleton will be utilized for developing electronics and avionics for fully functional flying demonstrator of the same size and weighing around 600 kilos, which we plan to build over the next 2 years. This planned machine will be 60% the scale of our final product, a 5-seater aircraft. With this upcoming demonstrator, we aim to evaluate the tilting mechanisms for all 8 electric motors as well as a hybrid unit. You know that our final product will be a 5-seater. Thanks to its hybrid electric unit, it will be capable of flying 700 km and won't solely rely on batteries and charging infrastructure. We've been working on its development since 2017 and have accomplished significant milestones during this time. The pace of our development is directly linked to the confidence of our investors, who closely monitor our results and recognize the vast potential of the Zuri aircraft in regional transport. Once we validated the performance of our 60% demonstrator through flight tests, we'll progress to constructing a full-scale prototype, potentially with about 5 years, depending on funding. The video showcased our cargo drone with a wingspan of 3.5 meters. With cost consideration in mind, we test our technologies on a smaller scale. It serves mostly as an aircraft for testing the transition flight. But we are in discussion with the several parties which are interested in using it as a product, either for cargo delivery or surveillance. We also possess a unique demonstrator with an 11-meter wingspan, from which we gather data necessary for developing the revolutionary Zuri 2.0 aircraft. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.